The objective is to add fractions to and subtract fractions from whole numbers using equivalence and the number line as strategies. If one fully shaded bar represents one whole, then what addition problem would match this drawing? Right, 1 plus 1 3/4. Let's draw a number line to represent this problem. We'll start at 0. Traveled 1 first for plus 1. Traveled another 1 for the whole. And then traveled 3/4. So we ended at 2 3/4. So 1 plus 1 3/4 equals 2 3/4. Here's another problem. 2 3/10 plus 3. Let's draw a number line to be able to do this addition. First, what do? First, we add 2. Next, we'll stick with our whole numbers and add 3. Then we can add 3/10. So that we end up at 5 3/10. Read the problem. Right, 1 minus 1/4. On the number line, what do we start at? 0 or 1? Right, 1. Let's separate number line off into fourths. We'll start at 1, and we'll subtract a fourth. When we go minus a fourth, we are at 3/4. Let's label the rest of our number line. So 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. Showing our numbers to solve this, 1 whole is equal to 4/4. So we'd have 4/4 minus 1/4, which equals 3/4. Okay, your turn to try. Make a number line to be able to solve 2 minus 3/5. Subtract 2 minus 3/5. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 1 2/5. Here's another problem to try. 3 minus 1 2/3. Let's label 3 wholes, and then we're going into thirds. Subtract 1 2/3. So subtract 1 first, and then subtract another 2/3. So I'm at 1 1/3. That's my answer. So again, started at 3, subtracted 1 from 3 to get 2, and then counted back 2/3 to be able to get to 1 and 1/3. Showing our numbers to walk through this problem, we had 3 minus 1 first. So 3 minus 1, and then subtract 2/3 as well. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2/3 is equal to 1 and 1/3. Okay, your turn to try. Draw a number line to help you solve this problem. 3 minus 1 and 1/4. Here's how I could have worked this out with numbers. First do 3 minus 1, and then subtract still 1/4. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1/4 is equal to 1 and 3/4. Here's our number line. Here's 3, there's 2, there's 1. 3 minus 1 and 1/4, subtract off the 1 first, and then minus 1/4, which is 1 and 3/4.